Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with the important opportunity. From the Microsoft, from Superset, and other important hiring. So first important hiring from the Sprinkler, they are hiring intern, and job location is Haryana, Gurgaon. So job post end date is means last date to apply for this post is Feb 2023. So make sure to apply as soon as possible, and this is one of the important job opportunity. Talking about the job description, so you will contribute actively to brainstorming discussion and help shape idea across technology, drive into challenging technical problem and consistently. And what makes you great fit, so you should have strong programming fundamental and efficient means you can write the code in Python or Java. So if you are good in all these things tech stack, then I will suggest must apply for this important opportunity, and 2026 pass out batch can also apply for this intern position. Next important hiring from L&T, they are hiring for the financial year 2026. This is off campus drive, and job location is Mysore, Vadodara, Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune and Delhi. Last date to apply is 5 Feb, and CTC is 4 LPA. Okay, so these branches only are eligible: mechanical, electrical, civil, instrumentation, control, chemical engineering. Okay, and type of offer full-time associate engineer training. So you will join this company as associate engineer training, and these are the job location and duty criteria that you should have 6.75 CGP or 60%, and you should not have any backlog. Minimum hiring age is 18 year, and selected candidate to ensure pass their final year examination in their first attempt. Okay, and so what is the process of shortlisting? So there will be technical interview as well as HR interview. And friends, if you are selected from for any company, either TCS, Wipro, Cognizant or any MNC, and want to schedule your mock interview, then you can also fill our the form. Okay, and this will be really boost your confidence for the real interview. Coming to next important opportunity, Photon is hiring the Java developer, and these are the roles and responsibilities. So I will provide all the job link in the description. You can get and apply that. Okay, so make sure to check all the things before applying. Next important hiring from the Thomson Reuters, they are hiring ML GenAI application engineer, and this is full-time role. So job location is India, Bangalore, Karnataka, Mexico, and end date means last date to apply is 5 Feb. So make sure to apply as soon as possible, and must share all these video with your friends who are preparing for the placements, and keep applying for off campus. Don't completely depend on campus. Next important hiring from the JICAs, they are hiring management trainee, talent acquisition. So if you are interested for this, then you can go through the job roles and description. Okay, this is a kind of HR position. So if you are interested in this, then you can go through it. Requirement: bachelor's of engineering plus MBA. Okay, next important hiring, they are hiring for software engineering intern, and company name is Sense HR. So this is the backend positions, and I've already provided this update in the previous videos. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed us, must subscribe us. I regularly post lots of important job update. Currently Capgemini, Amazon and other important hiring going on. So if you haven't applied for all those things, then must apply. And last important opportunity from the Microsoft, they are hiring for data science intern, and you can get all the links of Microsoft in this video. There I provided the complete internship guide, and basically they are hiring for multiple positions. So only 2026 and 2027 pass out batch are eligible, means pass out batch which is from, you can say, 25, they are not eligible. So if you are 2026 or 2027 pass out, then this is a great opportunity, everyone should apply. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Thank you.